Emergency alert, emergency alert, warning, warning. Get your hands on all the Lowrider stamps you can get your hands on. They are not in all locations in the United States, and supplies are drying up fast. I bought 10 of these, and I'm trying to buy some more. Values on these I've seen go on Whatnot between $20 to $150 in April 2026. Demand is skyrocketing while the supply is dwindling. This is not financial advice, but it's the best advice I can give you. Supplies are limited. Get your hands on these.